Have you ever wondered why some people just don't act the way you expect them to? Maybe you have thought that they hurt me or they don't care. But here's something I want you to think about. What if the opposite person whom we are complaining about are not being unfair? What if they're just being human, just like you and me? This thought that everyone is the hero of their own story is where I wanted to begin Serenity Mindworks journey. I chose this as our first topic because this idea can completely change or shift the way we see people, how we manage our conflicts, our emotions, and even how we heal ourselves from inside. I see in I see this in therapy very often when people come in saying they don't understand me, the falana people don't support me, or my mother does that, or whatever. And it's true. The pain is real. I'm not saying that everything is just out of somewhere. But there's another side that we often don't see. And maybe there's like the opposite person. They are also carrying a story that makes them feel unsupported too. So in general terms, we are talking about, not in deep-rooted therapy, okay? So in generally, most of the time, like 99% of the time, the things are like this. So let me explain this with a very simple example that is very normal in our lives, even with boyfriend, girlfriends, or in our relationships, everything. So when we say my relatives don't help me, we forget we are also someone's relatives, right? And the relatives might be saying the exact same thing about us. It's not that anyone is bad from the inner core. It's just that everyone is living inside their own world, their own experiences, their own emotions and struggles. In psychology, we call this egocentric bias. So it's a bias. It means our brain automatically sees life from our own point of view first. Then we try to see from others' point of view. So not because we are selfish, but because our brain's job is to keep our story consistent. Okay? So it's all on the subconscious level. We are not thinking that I am going to think about me only, but we naturally do that. That's the most human thing we do. So when someone behaves in a way that hurts us, it's often not about us. It's about them, their fears, their history, their coping mechanisms. And therapy helps us to see that. We call this perspective taking, learning to pause, to step outside our own story and look at life from someone else's lens. Because the moment you start doing that, something shifts inside. When you consciously start doing that, okay? You don't take things so personally, and that's where empathy begins. That's where healing begins. I wanted Serenity's first video to be about this because this is what therapy really is. It's the heart, the core of therapy. It's not about changing people. It's about understanding them. And when we do that, the life becomes a little softer, relationships a little lighter, and peace a little easier to find. So, if you have ever felt unseen or unsupported, I want you to remember this. You are the hero of your story, but so is everyone else. And when we remember this point, the world starts to make a little more sense. I hope you like this video, and if you are connected, subscribe to my channel to know more about the thoughts and emotions that we go through in our lives. Thank you so much. Welcome to Serenity. Signing off, Dr. Mansi Davesar.